in my eyes, see I wage war. Dark in the sky, see the rain.
I just do it for myself. I don't even want your help. Going back away, I'm strong, fast, and brave, at long lasting.
What's up, everybody? We just made it to the spot, and it is really crappy today, actually. It's raining, it's cold, but that's supposed to change a little bit. It's supposed to warm up just a tad. The rain's supposed to go away, which I hope it does, because there's a couple things I want to try outside of where we're flying today, which is the pavilion. One of the only really covered places we can fly and do some decent stuff today. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet everybody, eat my biscuit, drink my coffee, and let's rip it up.
Hey, that I stand on my own too, and I managed to show you what I'm about. Cause who knows if it ever then touches your soul and truth flows. Cause see, this is us, which is luck. Fuck it if we hit a rut. Mostly we just do what we can so we don't miss the bus.
We are here, we are flying, Jason is flying, and we got a rap video going on yonder. It's pretty awesome.
Look in my eyes,
Tommy!
see I wage war.
Hey! Justin! Mike!
What?
Son and your daughter, what you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but that system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. Admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket. Now I am the violence, I am the sickness. Won't accept your silence, beg me for forgiveness. We'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed, your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water.
Mike, what's your favorite four-letter word?
Don't ask. You know what it is.
What is it?
Dick.
Oh.
What it is?
next one.
Gon' say it 'cause I know this. A bang of the show, but a bang in the no showbiz. I'm in LA, New York, Bay.
Well, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Good time, as always, hanging out with friends. Not a lot of great flying for me personally today, but, you know, got to hang out with some people, which is always good. Broke a lot of stuff, as usual, going to the pavilion. But yeah, overall a good day. Now I gotta head home, fix some stuff, and get ready for the next one. So I'll see you then. There it is.